Travel Guide, 3 days 2 nights in San Jose, California, USA. Travel Guide, 3 days 2 nights in San Jose, California, USA. About San Jose, California. San Jose is the largest city in Silicon Valley. It is known for its tech industry, cultural diversity, and pleasant weather. The city offers a mix of urban attractions and outdoor activities. Open times and days: most attractions open around 10 a.m. They usually close between 5 p.m. and 8 p.m. Weekends tend to be busier than weekdays. Public transport runs from early morning to late evening. Precautions: wear comfortable shoes for walking. Stay hydrated, especially in summer. Carry a light jacket for cooler evenings. Be aware of your surroundings in crowded areas. Follow all local COVID-19 guidelines if applicable. Places must visit the Tech Interactive, a hands-on science and technology museum. San Jose Museum of Art, Contemporary and Modern Art Collections. Rosicrucian Egyptian Museum, unique Egyptian artifacts and exhibits. Japantown, a historic district with shops and restaurants. Santana Row shopping, dining, and entertainment complex. Winchester Mystery House, famous Victorian mansion with unusual architecture. Things to do: explore downtown San Jose by foot or bike. Attend a live performance at the California Theater. Visit local farmers markets on weekends. Take a day trip to nearby parks like Alum Rock Park or Guadalupe River Park. Try tech-themed tours or Silicon Valley company visits. Book in advance. Things not to do: avoid leaving valuables visible in your car. Don't underestimate traffic during rush hours, 7 to 9 a.m., 4 to 6 p.m. Avoid wandering alone late at night in less busy areas. Do not ignore posted signs or rules in parks and museums. Insider tips: buy tickets online for popular attractions to skip lines. Use public transport or rideshare to save parking hassles. Visit Japantown early for a quieter experience. Check event calendars for festivals or special shows. Try visiting Santana Row in the evening for vibrant nightlife. Possible deals: look for combo tickets at the Tech Interactive plus Winchester House. Check Groupon or local deal sites for dining discounts. Some museums offer free entry on certain days. Check their websites. Hotel packages sometimes include attraction passes or dining vouchers. Best time to visit: spring, March to May, offers mild weather and blooming flowers. Fall, September to November, has pleasant temperatures and fewer tourists. Avoid summer if you dislike crowds and higher prices. Winter is mild but can be rainy, still good for indoor activities. Affordable places to eat nearby: La Victoria Taqueria, famous for Mexican food and orange sauce. Falafel's Drive-In, great for Middle Eastern fast food. Bill's Cafe, popular breakfast and brunch spot with reasonable prices. Pho Kim Long, excellent Vietnamese pho at affordable prices. San Pedro Square Market, variety of food stalls with budget-friendly options. We built a digital business to create ongoing income so we can follow our dreams and live our ideal life. If you are looking to start your own digital business, visit newbeginning.com and find out more.